chilly.
It
What?
is cold.
Oh yeah, 67. It's crazy. Makes a basin.
Guys, since we're in this house, we still have to get all the stuff, right?
Yes, we have to carry this stuff out.
Yeah. That's gonna be cool.
Okay, let's give you guys some tour, a house tour.
Listen to the wind. You hear it?
I know, it's super windy.
Up there.
We just arrived. We drove up the windiest, craziest mountain, single track dirt roads. We were wondering, did we get the right address? It just kept going and weaving. Finally, we took up this steep driveway, sharp curve up to the top of the hill, and it opened up to this house. And so it was dark as we approached, and there was been national weather warnings for high winds, so there's this background noise of high winds blowing in the background. And now we're going to see the house. Let's go. To the left, the kitchen. Nice open shelvings plan here.
Whoa!
What do you have there, Remy?
This is a very good refrigerator. We can get so many stuff here. Like, literally, there's a bunch of stuff here. And now I'm going to show you the bedrooms.
And then right off of our amazing kitchen is the
Bedroom!
master suite. The master bedroom.
The master bedroom! As you probably know, he plays her on that.
Mom, you can, I can. I can literally hit my head on this.
And then if we keep going, we have our own en-suite bathroom here. Which is beautiful and nice. I love the all white, very simple decor. I love the all white, very simple decor, very clean, very like mid-century. And here we have the closet for all of our stuff. Boom shakalaka laka boom shak shaki. Real cold in there. Ooh, really chilly in there.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel insulated.
Wait, Daddy.
And then let's go outside.
Daddy, is the door locked?
We have this beautiful, beautiful table for gathering, which is nice, all wood. Looks like they upgraded. My wife had done some Google search and saw this house that was kind of outdated and old and was a little worried we had booked a weird place. But I was thinking, I don't think so. When we looked at it, it was all nice and modern. But outside, we have this beautiful deck and patio. And in the morning, we're gonna see these amazing views of the Blue Smoky Mountains. But it's a little chilly and cold right now, so we'll see you tomorrow. And they have baseboard vents, so the heat comes from the ground, and they're in really weird places against the wall and such. Like this one is losing a bunch of heat. That should be going there. You see what I'm saying? That
Yeah.
loses heat that way. Have bedroom numero 2. And it's got 2 beautiful twin beds. Amazing. Beautiful. Pheasant. Look at they thought about people and all their electronics. I feel heat blowing from under here. There's a vent underneath this. Even the doors are really cool.
The handles?
The handles. Alright, come on, Remy. See you dance. So then we have, no, don't go there. Bathroom number 2. So each bedroom has its own bath, private, it's nice. And what's this, a second door in a bathroom? Let's find out.
Oh, nice heat. I love this.
How do you open this?
Twisted. Just kidding, it's not a secret room, it's just our laundry room.
And it leads back where we were.
Where we started. This private stuff we have. Oh, nice. Look at those gumshoes.
Look at our.
They gave us with some stuff, watching stuff, we won't be wearing ski stuff because it's closed. We just found out that they closed for the season because it's been too warm, and someone else bought the new Wolf Laurels ski resort, and they're planning on expanding, so it won't be open until next year. So it's not going to be skiing, which we planned. It'll be a lot of outdoor nature and adventure, which is close to my heart and will ground us all back. What's over there, Mama?
What do you think?
Oh, it's nice. Right, it's a little weird coming up here, seeing all the trees in the dark. It's nice.
Yeah. Can't wait to explore.
Where's my fire? Oh, I know where my fire is. Look around and see where my fire is. This is my fire. It has no fire. It has heat. And it warms your hands. Look, you can do this like a real fire, and you can do this like a real fire. Let's get back. Downstairs, foosball, and a hot tub. But we didn't know there was a hot tub, so that's why we
Gotta carry a bunch of stuff in.
Okay, who's ready to carry some stuff in?
No, me either. Oh yeah, I have to get my suitcase.
We gotta go carry stuff in. It's windy and cold outside. Actually, it was a little scary, but I remembered in West Virginia, I love driving mountains and hills, but this was crazy. Single road, big drop-offs to one side, winding, and the sound of the wind was really strange.
We saw beautiful scenery.
And we saw a deer.
What are you doing?
Super windy.
It is.
How do we turn the markup lighting on?
Over here. I see you switch over here, babe. Right
That's
there.
Like you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, look
That's
how
what I'm
pretty.
talking about.
Oh my gosh. That looks so beautiful. Look. What do you think, Javi?
I think that's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's go put the groceries away. So we have everything set up here. There's no cabinet to put all of our groceries and our pots. Where are we gonna put all of these, babe?
What do you mean? There's all kind of cabinets.
I think there's stuff in there. Let's see. Yep, there's stuff in there.
Yeah, we can put stuff in those.
Okay, we'll make an arrangement. Go to daddy. Feel it. Be careful, don't squeeze it, it may pop. Is that normal? See? It wasn't like that.
Don't jump on it.
Oh.
It's a bigger
We
couch.
something like that. Huh?
What did you guys... What happened here?
We can sleep here, baby. We can sleep here. You know?
Wow.
No, baby.
This
How
house
many
can
people can
accommodate,
sleep here?
yeah, to a lot of people,
How
basically.
many of these guys sleeping over here?
Yeah, we're
Ooh.
Why?
Because we have, look, buddy, we have a TV. Look, buddy, we have a TV.
Hope you guys really like the vlog house tour. And if it's your first time, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And we'll see you guys on the next vlog. We'll see you actually tomorrow. We don't know what we'll be doing yet, but we should see.